Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is the first time, you're welcome. I am Alice, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be braiding my hair. I'm going to be doing a mini braid according to the title. And guys, by now you guys should know that this is actually my go-to hairstyle. I'm not a fan of putting extensions in my hair. I just like to braid my hair. Even wigs, I don't really use wig like that. It's not as if I don't braid my hair with extension or I don't use wig, but then I just prefer doing braids like with my natural hair. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I braid my hair and also how I part it as seen in the video. The video is very detailed, so I'm just going to explain some certain things, some certain benefits that I've actually experienced from doing mini braids on my hair, because I've really gotten a whole lot of benefits. Like, it has helped my hair growth, like all through this journey of growing my hair. Mini braid has also been part of it, apart from my normal hair care routine. Protective style, this particular protective style has helped me a lot, so I'm going to allow you guys to watch carefully and see how I part my hair and learn from it. If you are yet to subscribe, please, what are you still waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. Please share your comments in the comment section below, whatever any question you have for me, because I'm going to be doing a question and answer video, relaxed hair question and answer video based on my relaxed hair journey. Just put your questions in the comment section. Like, I am here for you guys. I will answer any question you have for me. So let me allow you guys enjoy this video. So guys, I'm back again, and this baby girl likes to talk too much, so please forgive me for that. So guys, like I said, I'm going to mention my experience so far with mini braids, and it has its advantage and also disadvantage, but then the disadvantage I don't think is something that serious. So I'm actually going to start from the disadvantage, but before the disadvantage, if I mention it, I'd like you guys to go and check my previous videos on the mini twist I did and also the mini braids that I've been doing before, and come back and see this particular one that I'm currently doing, and you guys should tell me the difference in the comment section below. Like, guys, I don't even know what to say, but yeah, once you go and check it and you come back and see this particular one, then you can tell. Like, I don't even need to say anything. So yes, let me now mention the disadvantage. The disadvantage of doing mini braid is that it takes a very long time to install it. Like, this one is not even micro, this is mini. Imagine doing micro. I can't even go there. So this particular hairstyle, this particular protective style, take a very long time to install it. Even when you want to lose the hair, it also take a very long time to remove it as well, depending on your hair length and also your hair density. And from my hair, you guys can tell the density and the length as well. I still have length. I know it's not long, but then medium length, and it took me about 7 hours to complete this braid. Honestly, before, like my previous video that I've been doing, it used to take me like 4 hours, maximum of 5 hours to complete the hair. But now my hair is now thicker and longer than the before. So yeah, the length, the time has increased to 7 hours. Man, I don't even know. So let's just dive into the benefit, the advantage of doing mini braids. The first thing I'd say is the growth. Like, it has increased the growth of my hair. And mind you, apart from doing mini braid, like, I'm not saying that mini braid will make your hair grow faster or just magically grow fast. It means that while you are on your mini braid, you should also be doing a proper hair care routine. You should also have a proper hair care routine. So doing the mini braid and also doing my proper hair care routine has actually helped my hair growth. And also this particular hairstyle is very versatile. You can rock different styles on it. You can do so many styles. You can also use wig while you're on this particular mini braid. Another thing is it does not show frizz, like it reduces frizz, meaning that there is going to be less tangling when you do this particular hair, and it helps you lock in your moisture. You know, coupled with the fact that this particular period that we are in, the weather is very bad and the hair dries very fast, so this particular hairstyle helps lock in your moisture and, you know, prevents excess manipulation and all that. And it also shows your length. Like if you are the type that don't want to make use of heat, then you should try doing mini braid. It will help you, you know, show your length. You got, yeah, like it will help you. You're going to see the length of your hair and all that. Another thing is it makes it easy for you to wash your hair. For people like me that wash my hair once in 2 weeks, it's very easy. With this hairstyle you can wash your hair as often as you wash it. Like your hair care routine, it doesn't affect it when it comes to washing. Yeah, it doesn't affect it when it comes to washing of the hair. You can wash your hair while you are on mini braid. And yes, that's basically it about the mini braid. Like my experience, the experience I've had while I braided my hair, while I did this particular protective style. It has really helped me a lot, and honestly I would say you should try it. If you are not doing this particular hairstyle, then you should try it. I know some people don't like much hair, you know, they don't, but you see this one, this is the one I don't mind sitting down for 10 hours for rather than adding extension and all that. No, but you see this one, I don't mind. And after this hair, like I carry this hair for, okay, I didn't even mention that the hair lasts long. Like when you braid this when you do this particular style, it lasts long. Like you can carry it for 4 weeks or even more, but I'm not the type that carry my hair for more than 3 weeks. So yeah, I carry my hair between 2 to 3 weeks, highest 4 weeks. That's 1 month. I can't go beyond 1 month. Yeah, thank you very much. So yes, that is it. You can carry it for as long as you want, because it is a good protective style. Like even when it gets older, that's when the beauty comes out, if you know it, if you get it, even most especially for those with natural hair. So guys, I hope you've learned from this video. If you enjoy it and if you are yet to still subscribe, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like it. Share your whatever question you have for me in the comment section below, and I'll do well to respond to whatever question you drop for me. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me. I really appreciate all your love that you've been showing me. Or like, I don't know, like you guys are the best. Like you are the best. So guys, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm definitely going to allow you guys to continue enjoying the video. Make sure you don't go anywhere, okay?
hours now. I used to do this one 4 good hours, just one.
So guys, this is me the next morning after ranting about how long it took me to just do one side of my hair, and I was telling my friend I was actually going to finish the whole hair within 4 hours because that has always been the timing for me. I did not know that things have changed. So guys, the first thing I did is to apply my oil as usual. First I do a scalp massaging. I massage my scalp gently and properly, and also make use of my oil to apply it on the tip of the hair, the ends. I apply it as well, and then I go over with my hair cream because currently my chebe butter is unavailable and shea butter as well is unavailable, so I made use of my hair cream to apply at the tip of the hair as well. And I went over with the mousse because this particular braid I did is a loose braid. I made it very loose so that it would be very easy for me to take it down. Remember I said that taking down this particular hairstyle takes a very long time, so imagine doing a tight braid. Hell no, I'm definitely not going to do that. So I made it very loose, and this is what the end result looks like. You guys, look at how beautiful and how long this hair look. Even the pattern is awesome, and this is the first time I'm trying that styling comb. It was really nice. It made the pattern very easy for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.